guys, welcome back to Vicariously Vintage Acres. Today I am going to make a chia pudding that is paleo. It is virtually sugar-free. There's no added sugar in it. There are some natural sugars from the fruit, but I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I am making this. It's one of my favorite treats since I don't do a lot of processed and refined sugars, so I hope you enjoy. Here is everything that you're going to need. We have chia seed. We have coconut milk. The one thing I did forget is a 1/4 cup measuring cup, which I'm going to have Keenan get for me real quick. You need a really ripe banana, so that adds a little bit of natural sweetness to it. We have a spoon we're going to stir. We have the whisk to whisk, and we have a container that we can put a lid on to store this in the refrigerator because it will need to be refrigerated. If you can't find the 1/4 cup, you can give me, is that 1/4 cup? 1/4. Okay. And we are adding a 1/4 cup measuring cup to the pile. So chia seeds and coconut milk and bananas, those are our ingredients. You're going to need a blender. I'm just using a Nutra Ninja. My mom gave me this about a year or so ago. She used it for a while. She loved it, but then she phased out of doing smoothies, so she gave it to me. And I use it to make mayonnaise. I use it to make my chia pudding. I use it to make smoothies and protein shakes. So anyway, we're going to cut to the chase and start making this. Okay guys, so what we're going to do first is we are going, oh, I forgot, we also need a can opener. If I can find our can opener. Oh, it was on the counter behind me. Okay, so got the handy dandy little can opener. Before we open the coconut milk, we want to shake it up until we can hear it shaking up. Most of the time it's really not going to disperse and blend back in together, but what happens is from about here up, you're going to have solid coconut milk. And if you shake it up, it's just going to break that up. It's going to make it easier to pour out of the can and into our blending vessel. Didn't work very well this time, which is actually, that's okay. You see how globby and messy that is? That's from the solids. So just pour that in. Peel your banana. Usually when we have bananas that aren't quite this ripe, we will feed the banana peels to the rabbits. Not too much though, because it is a lot of sugar, but when they're this brown, we just either give them to the chickens or we throw them in the compost. Just rinsing my hands real quick. Because bananas are kind of sticky and lumpy. Anyway, so I just broke that up. Stuck it in my blender with the coconut milk. We're gonna get this down on here, and it's gonna get really noisy for a moment, so I'm gonna blend this. I'll give you some pleasant music to listen to, and then we'll finish up. Okay, now that that is blended up nice and smooth, we're going to pour this into our bowl. And it's already pretty thick, so because banana is a natural thickener, like if you're making a smoothie or something. So next what we're going to do is take our chia seed. We're going to take 1/4 of a cup and just sprinkle that all over the top there. Take your whisk and just gently start whisking it in. You don't want to fling chia seeds everywhere. Once they're pretty much all in there, then you can whisk a little bit better. Just check the bottom, make sure that they're whisked in well. And this is when the spoon comes in, just kind of scrape across the bottom and around the edges. Whisk it again. And then it is ready for the refrigerator. It will take at least 1 to 2 hours for this to firm up. So I will come back later this afternoon or evening and show you guys how beautiful it looks and how thick and creamy this is. Loose. And I just got enough stuff to make another raised bed. I found 2 lavender plants on sale for $3 each. And I love the hen and chick succulents. And this is missing 1 plant, but it's got lots of chicks on it, and I got that for $5. Lots of compost, and my helper. Super excited! Okay guys, so it's been a few hours. My bowl's dirty, hold on. So it's been a few hours since I put this in the refrigerator, and I wanted to show you how great this looks. Let's see, I'll bring this closer. Looks just like pudding consistency, doesn't it? You see that? So I'm gonna dish some up. We actually had to run into the next big city over to pick up some compost and some other stuff like you saw in the video. So we were actually gone for a couple of hours getting that done. So it actually sat in there. I guess it's been probably about 3 hours. But yeah. It's fantastic. One thing that I did forget to do, that sometimes I do and sometimes I don't, is add a small splash of vanilla. Next time I make this, I want to try it with a little sprinkle of cocoa powder. It may need 2 really ripe bananas to do it with the cocoa powder, but at some point in time I'm going to start experimenting with this. This is only the 4th time I've made this. It's something I just started doing as part of my healing process, but it's totally yummy, and it's quick and easy to make, and it's really good for gut health and for all the vitamins that are in chia seeds and the good fats that are in coconut milk. So let me know if you try it. Comment below, let me know what you think, and if you did any additions, like you can sprinkle frozen or fresh fruit on these. It's really good that way too. But if you do anything with it, comment below and let me know. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day.